I've been reading the books since long 40, 50 years, and I've been noting the same in my book under several concerned topics. And I read, I was in profession till 1980. Later, I shifted to private service, joined as a law officer, and retired as a legal manager in Andhra Sugars Limited. Afterwards, I didn't go back to the profession, and I continued to read the journals like AR, SC, ALD, and ALT, sitting in the house and making a note to keep myself update on all the topics and subjects on the law. And in the meanwhile, my son purchased a laptop. I have entered all the case law into the laptop and converted into a CD, which consists of about 560 topics. Right from all, I have arranged the topics in an alphabetical way, and then that is there in the CD, containing about 7,800 pages. It's not the entire judgment that I entered into the matter into the CD, but it's the crux para which deals with the point that I picked up and put it and the concerned head of the topic. And the CD contains not only the case law, I mean about 85% case law is Supreme Court cases, and about 15% our High Court and other High Courts cases, case law. And then I have included in the CD text of IPC, CRPC and Evidence Act. Next, a friend of mine prepared draft plaints, draft complaints, draft all notices, all this time. He has given that CD to me. I have incorporated the same also in my CD. All put together, it would be 1 GB. Less than 1 GB, 650 MB most likely. This is all what, and my book is called Ready Reckoner for Settled Principles of Law. And it is made up to date up to 2016. That's all what I can say about my book. And it is in the shape of CD. The cost of CD is 1,600. Times. Regular matter అంతేకాదు మీరు చెప్పి అలా స్పీకర్ కాకుండా మామూలు నార్మల్ మాట్లాడమంటారు. CD contains banking law, insurance law, labor laws, Hindu law, Muslim law, service law, constitutional law, తర్వాత Stamp Act, IPC, CRPC, and then Negotiation Act, family laws. All these things are there. Motor vehicles law, big subjects there are. It reads bills, interpretation of statute. These are all the items. 560 topics, 7,800 pages.